We are in a small town on our way to Calderón, Hobo, something like this. And it's called, the town is called La Oliva. And apparently there are quite a few people around here. Good morning. This is day number 17, me on the road. Yesterday I checked into this this house, or this accommodation. I think I've given you the tour already. Had a very good night's sleep, solid sleep last night. Just woke up about just before 7 o'clock. So I had a shower. I'm just gonna go and make myself a tea or a coffee, and still it's too early. I'm planning to head up north of Fuerteventura today and explore some few places. Particularly I'll be interested in visiting at least one volcano site, not the active one, but you know, there's a big kind of a mount, as you may imagine. So yeah, we'll go up there, and there are some other places that I have shortlisted. So today is the northern part of Fuerteventura. Let's go and have coffee first. So we got also I think not too far. So you got a coffee maker, you know, you got some cookies I bought yesterday, and of course I think for tea or coffee. Right, we need some mugs. Yep, we got some mugs. That should be great. Maybe some spoons. Yep, that would be great. Okay, let's make a tea. Okay. Let's put the coffee. Right, so coffee. Yeah, last night I was doing some downloading stuff, and did some research about different places. Took me some time, and then I fell asleep. So that's why I couldn't say goodbye to any one of you. So I just woke up this morning. So yeah, so as I previously said, that we're going to be heading to the north of Fuerteventura. This is our island number 4. We've got one more island to visit, Lanzarote, and I'll give you more information on that later. So the places that I have shortlisted, some of these. The first one that we're going to go to is called Calderón, Hondo. So Calderón, Calderón, Hondo, and it's a volcanic site. There's a bit of hike as well, but given that today my bike is going to be pretty much I'm not going to have luggage, the main luggage on the bike, so I'm going to have only my backpack. So I think I'm be wearing my trainers, so I'll be happy to do a little bit of hiking today, even if it's an hour or something like hiking. Other places that I've also downloaded is there are some few beaches, for example, Playa de la Concha, and there is also a popcorn beach as well. So we'll see if we can get to that. There is a beautiful town called Coralijo. Another very tiny small island, very next to, on the tip of the Fuerteventura. It's called Isla de Lobos. And there's a very short ship or a boat crossing. Very short, I think might be, I don't know, it will be very, very short. But I'm not really sure, given that I've got a bike, so leaving the bike in here, hop on a ferry and then go there. And then, we'll see. Yeah, but now, just take it easy and enjoy. Okay, it's almost 10 o'clock. It's just 7 minutes to 10. And yeah, the weather looks all right. The sun is gonna come out soon. So I'm heading out to the north of Fuerteventura today. So got a few places to visit. I've just managed to somehow salvage some of the other stuff that I had, yeah, so I can use a clamp now, which is okay. I can easily remove it and put it back on. The only problem is with this that I can't turn it around, so it'll be just only one side view, but for now that's okay. Let's hit the road. Okay, so it's almost 10 o'clock now. It is 10 o'clock now, and we are already here. So Calderón, Hondo. The streets here are very, very steep. Let's see what happens, how we're gonna get down. Very nice town. Let's go! Calderón. Let's go! Calderón, Hondo. 44 miles. Okay, so since I saw a fuel station, even though I didn't need much fuel, but I thought I'll just
go ahead and fill it up. Just a few, I think, barely 4 liters, because it was pretty full. Right, okay, let's go. Oh, we are back in the twisties. Well, what a day. The sun's coming out. It's a little chill on the bike, and I'm sure soon it's gonna be hot. And the landscape. Okay, found an interesting spot here. Look at that bad boy up there. That's very nice, isn't it? The windmill. Ah, let's see bikers. Great. Oh, that's very nice. And look at the landscape. Look at that. I thought it's so red. These, I don't know what kind of plants are these. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, let's go and have a closer view of this windmill. Of course, doesn't look like operational, but it's been cordoned off, meaning that you can't really. It's quite big though. Don't think so you can go in there. Doesn't look like there is an entrance. Yep. You can just admire outside the boundaries. That's very nice. Ooh, so peaceful here. Okay. This looks like a nice town. Let's go and have a little walk. Okay, we are in a small town on our way to Calderón, Hobo, something like this. And it's called, this town is called La Oliva, and apparently there are quite a few people around, even if it's very small. I can see some tourists. It's got a nice very old looking church, and the palm trees around. Tourist information center. There's a cafe. Oh, very nice. I like it. Oh, the sun's out. It's so warm now. As soon as you come off the bike, it's so hot. Okay, so in here, this is like the art center, I think. That there was a sign of something to do with art. There's another bike in here. It looks a nice one. The tree lines. Let's go through here first to see what we have here. Very nice. Okay, so there's children's. I think it's a little park, like a square, but it's very differently made. Look at this. That's very nice, isn't it? Very nice. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can send the drone up in the air. Let's try. Look at the tree line. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so the church doors are open. So let's go and see if we can pop in to see how it looks from inside. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Be quiet. Start from here.
In about 4 miles at the roundabout, take the second exit onto FB 101.
Tells the whole story in paintings. One candle, €1. light up the candle. Yeah, the whole story. And look at this painting, it's huge. I'm sure it tells many stories, biblical, historical. The story continues to the place of crucifixion. Still continues. Still continues. Santa Rita. And then you got another big painting here. Looks, the show depicts the miracle of Moses splitting of the sea or the river. Okay, and this is the little replica, or a little what you call it? Let's see from close up, of course, going up. The bells is not easy and real, but you can see from here. Okay. Very nice. The stairs going all the way up to that section. I think that's where the bells probably are. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay, so there's a very, very small little cafe here, but it does not really satisfy my aestheticism, so I'll continue and find a bit more raw countryside in the middle of nowhere cafe, and we're gonna enjoy our coffee and something, because I haven't had really a breakfast yet apart from a coffee. Okay, let's continue.